Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. In this video, we're just going to dive into one of the most underrated tools in trading, and that is the Fibonacci cycles. Okay, most traders stick with the basic Fibonacci retracement, the basic Fibonacci retracement or extensions. But Fibonacci cycles bring something unique to the table, right? They don't just focus on price levels, they also bring timing into the mix. So, what exactly are Fibonacci cycles? What exactly are Fibonacci cycles? Well, they are a combination of Fibonacci ratios and circular geometry. So, instead of drawing straight horizontal lines, like with retracements, Fibonacci cycles are plotted from a significant high or low to the next major swing. Okay? And then the cycles expand outward based on Fibonacci ratios, typically 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 1.0, and beyond. All right. So these cycles help traders anticipate where and when price may react. That is the game changer. Okay. It's not just where, like support or resistance. It's also when the market may respond, and that gives you a potential edge in timing your trades. So here's how to use them. Okay. Here's how to use them. The first step is to identify a key swing high or low. All right. Identify a key swing high to swing low. Okay. Identify a key swing high to swing low, or low to high move. It could be from high to low or from low to high. All right. Then you draw your Fibonacci cycle between those 2 points. Okay. We're going to extend this from here to here, from the high to the low. All right, from the high to the low, or it could be from the low to the high. All right. Okay, so that is the first step. All right, that's the first step. Then the next step is to watch how price reacts when it meets the arc of the cycle. Okay, these arcs act like dynamic support and resistance zones, often aligning with trend lines, moving averages, or consolidation zones. So you will start noticing that certain arcs intersect key price structures. These intersections often serve as confluence points. These are moments where time and price meet, a powerful concept in trading. Okay? So you can see that as price got towards this arc, can you see that there was a rejection? Can you see? And as price got here, you can see that price is already reacting to this next arc. All right, if we go back a little, we can see how price reacted around here, right? You can see how price reacted around this zone. You can see how price reacted around this zone, okay, and even this zone as well. All right, so this strategy works especially well on higher time frames like the H4, the daily, and the weekly. All right, the bigger the swing, the more relevant the cycle becomes. But if you are a short-term trader, You can still use it for intraday setups. Just be sure to scale it properly and use it with other tools like candlestick patterns and market structure. All right. Now, here is a pro tip. Use Fibonacci cycles in combination with trend lines or horizontal zones. Okay. You can still draw your trend lines, for additional confirmation. You can still draw your trend lines while watching out for how price reacts around the Fibonacci axis. Okay. While watching out for how price reacts around the Fibonacci axis, draw your trend lines, and you also plot your horizontal support and resistance zones as well. All right. So you need confirmations. All these are just going to serve as additional confirmations. Okay. So if a Fibonacci arc aligns with a trend line break, that's a high probability signal. You are stacking technical evidence, which leads to stronger, more confident trade decisions. You'll notice that these cycles can also help you identify continuation zones. When price moves smoothly through one arc and approaches the next, that often signals a strong trend continuation, especially when supported by momentum. To sum it up, Fibonacci circles are not just about aesthetics, they offer powerful insights into both the direction and timing of market moves. They may take a bit of practice to master, but once you get comfortable using them, you'll start seeing the market from a whole new angle, literally. If this is something new to you, take some time to practice plotting Fibonacci cycles on historical price data. Look at how the axis interacted with price action in the past. The results might surprise you. Okay, the results might surprise you. Now, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this strategy breakdown useful, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos where we dive into more advanced trading tools like this. Do you want to see this strategy applied live on the charts? Let me know in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.